Editing feels slow when you hunt for transitions, titles, and effects in endless folders. Right now, AEJuice packs promotion packs, VFX, SFX, and templates in one place for After Effects and Premiere. With Pack Manager, you preview, favorite, and drag and drop animations into your timeline fast. Now, auto fonts, auto resizing, and smart placeholders help your videos fit any format, from Reels to 4K. Pick free tools or grab bundles, like I Want It All, to unlock huge libraries of ready-to-use motion. Your ads, vlogs, reels, and promos look cleaner, sharper, and more expensive in minutes, not hours. No steep learning curve. Choose a style, click, drop it in, then tweak color, text, timing easily. Creators use it to speed up delivery, stay consistent, and keep clients happy without extra plugins. If you want more views and better edits, AEJuice, the simple upgrade that pays back and saves time. Click the link in the description now, check the plans, and start building eye-catching videos today.